In terms of appearance, the new car has a stable atmosphere, but is fashionable, sporty and in line with the mainstream aesthetics. The front of the new car adopts the popular closed design and unique 3-row LED light set, which increases its recognition. The lower perimeter adopts a trapezoidal air intake grille with a blackened grille, which adds a sporty touch. The overall shape of the side shape and rear end maintains the sporty feel. The design ingenuity of the new car mainly lies in the use of blackened and raised wheel eyebrows and two-tone wheel hubs, which enhances the sense of stability and sophistication of the car. In terms of body size, the new car is a relatively standard compact model, with a length, width and height of 4541/1880/1608 mm and a wheelbase of 2750 mm. The rear of the car adopts a layered shape, using full-type taillights and a blackened bumper design at the bottom, in line with the aesthetic positioning of young people. The new car is built on the Chanyu Architecture D platform and is equipped with the new third-generation Osmo intelligent driving system. In terms of power configuration, the pure electric version of the car is equipped with a drive motor with a maximum power of 150 kilowatts. The CLTC operating range is 600 kilometers. The vehicle's endurance performance ranks first in the mainstream pure electric SUV market. The long mileage range at the same level of 600 kilometers can meet the driving needs of users in multiple scenarios such as urban transportation, suburban travel and intercity travel. In addition, the plug-in hybrid version is equipped with a hybrid system consisting of a 1.5L engine and an electric motor with a maximum power of 78 kilowatts.